Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, this is David and William here, and I've got a project here I've been wanting to get for a long time. We're talking about years. Finally got an opportunity, and I picked one of these up. It is a glass bottle cutter. So you can get these on Amazon. I think this one is $34.95, I think, and I think it's Prime, which means free shipping. That's good, isn't it, William?
Yeah.
Yeah. And opening it up, and this isn't really an unboxing because I was playing with it. We cut a bottle yesterday. But inside, it has some instructions. There's not a lot to it. First part is how to put it together. The other half is how to use it. And then it has these glass resistant or the cut resistant gloves, which is nice that they thought enough to put them in here. My only problem so far in playing with this is the gloves are not Big Dave size, right? But they do work. Another cool thing about this one is they give you a bonus audiobook and a bonus ebook that you could download to tell you projects you could do with your cut bottles. It's one thing to cut the bottles, what are you going to do with them, right? It's got some spare pieces, which is cool. It's got a glass cutter, which is cool.
Yeah, and then the cutter.
And then the cutter, that's right. Now the cutter you got to assemble, right?
Yeah.
It's not really that hard to do. It comes in two pieces. You unscrew this piece out, right? You put that piece in. What do you think you do with this?
You put it in there and then screw it back.
And you screw it back down. That's right. Screw, turn, turn.
I can do it.
You can do it. And while he's doing that, it also comes with some sandpaper. They call it glass paper.
Done.
Done?
Wait.
Right? So, what you do is safety, safety, safety.
Yep. Safety, safety, safety.
You put your glove. Let me put that glove on.
See.
All right. You just don't touch anything. All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch so I can learn.
And we've got some water boiling. When we did this yesterday, I did not boil the water, and I was all ready, and we had to wait. So, this adjusts. Here's the cutter. So you take your glass bottle, wine bottle, whatever, soda bottle, whatever's glass,
Coke.
and you adjust this to where you want to cut it. And then you tighten it back down. Okay? And then you only want to turn it once, and you want to make sure it doesn't wiggle back and forth. So you want to put your hand between the wheels, and you want to turn it.
Yeah.
Ready? You hear it?
Yeah, it's making a funny noise.
Do you see the line it cut?
Yeah. I can see like a white line.
There we go. Can you see that in the camera, Jenny?
Yep.
Awesome. Now let's take it to where the water's boiling.
Hi guys, we're back.
We're back. So you get your bottle, all right? You get cold water, you get boiling water. And I'm just dipping it out of the pot with a coffee cup. And what you're doing is you're just heating that score line up. You heat it, and then you cool it. Oh, there you go. Only had to do it once. Right? And it cut it off nice and clean into two sections. See how neat that was?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Boop. Now, the last thing you're going to do, and I'm not going to do it on camera because I'm not going to insult your intelligence, is this is glass and it's sharp. So you're going to take your glass cloth, sandpaper, right? And you're going to sand off the sharp edges. And then this could be a drinker glass, right? It could be a drinker glass. Or what I want to do is down at the land, we're going to build another dome. And I want to put these bottles in the cement to be like windows, you know, let the sun shine through. And these, you could do lots of stuff. I've seen people make lamps out of them,
Hey, Daddy.
But I think maybe if you put it in the ground, pour water, and then you can water your plant directly at its roots.
Hey, Daddy.
I think that's cool. What's up, William?
That could be a good target.
It could be a good target. Yeah, but we don't shoot glass. But anyway, thank you very much.